I'm so pissed, guys. Honestly, I'm not happy because this money you're seeing $32 now was $100. All right. Though I took the trade, this very trade crash 900 when it was $90. All right. So I'm not happy because the market took so much from me. You can see we dropped back to $32 from $90 to $32. So I lost like 60 something dollars today. Though I had to enter the trade again because it must pay. It has to pay. So let me show you guys my reason for the trade and why the market took me out. All right. All right, guys, you can smash the like button. It's very important and sit and learn what I have to show you guys. Now, look at this crash 900. I gave this call earlier because expecting market to drop from here. I think, let me see. This is where I expected the market to drop from. I expected the market to drop from where I have the black line. All right. I actually showed some signs. I saw some signs that it would be dropping from there. All right. Yeah. Where I have this black line here. That's where I expected market to drop from, right? So I gave the call, hoping it would drop from that level because it showed some signs that it would be dropping from there. And why did I give the call? You can see the 2 days ago, today's candlesticks. Um, 2 days ago candlestick. You see the massive rejection that the market gave us from this level, printed a doji candlestick. You can see yesterday gave us a strong bearish candlestick. It's not too strong, which is the reason why this market pulled to this point, gave us this bearish candlestick. All right. So now, if we look closely again, you can see that market has been going up for a while, for a very long time, and it has to come back again to a key level like this one here, somewhere here around this level. Might come down to this level again, to this range. All right, that's what I'm looking at. Now I've created a story now on the higher time frame, and I need to go down to follow it up on the lower time frame. All right, so now I'm going down to 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, I just didn't want to see the market going above this structure because it could start buying this very structure here. Didn't want to see the market going down, going up above this very structure right here. I wanted the market to start selling somewhere here. All right. So, but I see that the market just decided to go above this level because how strong this 4 hours candlestick looks. Okay. So now, did I miss this trade? Why did I hit SL? I hit my SL because um I felt to acknowledge this structure, this very structure here. I felt to acknowledge this very structure right here. I decided I wanted to market to start selling from here because I saw this very 30 minutes candlestick that shows weakness, that shows bearish weakness. I mean bullish weakness. This very candlestick. That's why I gave the call, and the market started going up and smashed to cost out. All right. So um I actually ignored this level. But now, I didn't mean I follow up this level. You can see the strategy. If you check the last video, the last two video I dropped, you can see we have structural liquidity right there, and we have our strong protected high right here. This is our protected high right there. All right. What does that mean? It shows that markets might want to come into this POI. This is now our POI, this level here. Let me delete this guy out. This level here is now our POI. This is our structural liquidity zone, and this is our POI, this sweep of liquidity and transactional liquidity, and maybe transactional liquidity, the market push into our POI. So, but I wanted to sell it from here because I didn't want to miss the spikes. All right. But you can see what happened. Market went into this level to complete the swing before the next drop. So that's what happened. And I'm still expecting the drop to happen to this point until I must recover my money, my $90, and make some profits from it. I must recover my money. So I'm expecting market to drop down to this point. Okay. So um yeah. Now another thing is I lost this trade too because I give signals. All right. Now you see sometimes you need to consider the people that are taking your signals. Because some people might be using like $20, $10, $30 to take signals from you. And when you're giving signal, you need to consider those people. So instead of me to put SL somewhere above this level, which is as with the right trading, I'm supposed to put my SL above this level. In case the market comes into this point before the next drop, I was supposed to put my SL, but because of them, I decided to put my SL somewhere here. And so the market took us out before dropping. So that's because I had to consider my people. What if they don't have enough money to accommodate uh, this pullback, this drawdown? My bloody account. So I decided to put it somewhere here. This is the right place to put it. You need to hide your SL above the structure. This is the structure. This is the high of this level. All right, which is my demand. I, I'm supposed to put my SL above this demand, right? This, sorry, above this supply. This is my supply. It's supposed to put my SL above the supply so that when market gets to that point, it will reverse before he hits my SL. So I'm actually expecting, wow, look at that. I love that spike, guys. I love that spike. That spike right there. That's a massive one. Wow, I love the spike. So, like I said, I have to recover my money. I must recover my money. I must recover my money. What? You took $68 from me? Bro, no, that's so unfair. I have to recover my money. So that's what I'm looking at. I need to see the spike down to this point. So, guys, if you want to be winning, if I show you my academy, you see my guys are winning, like they are winning. Let me quickly show you guys their testimonies on the VIP or the free channel. So guys, this is my VIP. You can see $7 to $23, 20 $29 to $60. So many testimonies like that. You can see here $22 to $162 from my academy. My students are killing it. You can see again $7 to $71. So this it happens every day, guys. So you need to join the academy to be able to benefit. This, my VIP guys. You need to join the academy to benefit from this, to learn. If you want to be doing this by yourself, all right, you don't need to wait for my signals. You don't need to wait for anybody to decide what to do. You can be working somewhere while you are still trading. It's not even hard at all, just for you to know those levels that market will be selling and buying from. Do you understand? You take them. You don't have to be afraid of anything. It happens. It's real. You can see my student testimonies, and it just started in January. These guys just started January. Some of them just started this month. So you can see the good thing is that once you are there, you'll be inspired. Like the guy that moved, is it $6 to 20 something dollars? The guy got inspired by what this other person did today, and he took and make that money. So you need to be inspired. Some of us are good traders, just that we are not in the right community. You don't see people that are doing what we are doing, people that believe, people that are really hungry. So my guys are really hungry and they want to make it big in life. So I would advise you guys to join the academy. But if you don't feel safe, you feel like I just want to push you, you can go to any other place. But you need to join an academy, a community, people that inspire you, people you see they are doing this real stuff, not people that are driving fast cars that showing you fake screenshots. Okay, you need people that are doing the real stuff. So I think that will be all for now, guys. I'll be making some nice videos from next week, which my sorry, with my system. Okay, I'll be doing some nice videos next week with my system. Then I'll be very relaxed. Right now I'm just busy up and down. I'm busy up and down doing a whole lot of stuff. That's why you can see, for a while now I've been uploading videos with my phone. So by the time I'm settled, completely settled, I'll be doing some dope videos, and something big is coming. I'm working with some of the biggest guys in town in Nigeria. We are learning. putting head together, creating a trading system that will help a lot of traders pass their profits, make some good money from the market. Okay, so I think that will be all for now, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, join the free Telegram channel. Check the description to join the free Telegram channel. Let's grow together. I love you guys.